Hello guys, I'm Distil Bay. Today we're going to configure our dynamic host configuration protocol on Cisco router. So let's go. So let us run our Cisco packet tracer, the DHCP configuration on the router. So we need some network device. So let's go ahead and take our switch, our router, and we need a switch, another one from this size on this network. We also need some computers. Take another one. So let's take a printer for this network. Take some computer for this network. And let's take a server. Okay, this network we have the server on the premise. This is Amazon. We have two network, Amazon, and this is my home network. So let's go ahead and connect the cable. In case you don't know which cable to use, just go ahead and take the automatically connection. It will help you a lot. Click on it and then connect to the switch. Go ahead to the next computers and so on. The printers. Let's connect it to the router. This similar device is a straight through cable or PC straight to the switch. Let's connect it to the server and to our router. Okay, we are good to go. Place it here and drag them here. Okay, so let us provide the IP address. So from this side we have 192.168.100.1. over here 192.168.200.1. So let us open up our router. We are going to configure the dynamic host configuration protocol on Cisco router. So let's open up our router. We are going to open the interface. Go to CLI and then tap no. Enter enable, enter, tap the configuration T, terminal, enter. So we are going to open the first interface. So let me put it here so that you can see. So we're going to open this interface. My home network is /0/0. So interface fast channel 0/0. Enter IP address 192.168.100.1. Please question mark. You need to provide a subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Enter and then no shutdown. Enter. As you can see now the interface is on. So let's go ahead and open the other one. Close it. For this network we have the fast 0/1. Enter, exit, enter, Control C, configuration terminal, interface. So let's see our interface. We are going to configure fast 0/1 for this network, which is connected to this network to Amazon. Fast 0/1. Enter. Let's set up the IP address 192.168.200.1. and or you can go ahead and provide the subnet mask straight 255.255.255.0 is a class C. Enter. No shutdown, comma. You can see here the interface is also up. Change state to up. You can save it to do right and then Control C. So now we are going to configure our dynamic host configuration protocol in Cisco router. We say that DHCP helps users to assign IP address automatically instead of going to every machine and sign up the requisite information so that it will work. So let's go ahead and configure our DHCP. Enter configuration T, enter IP DHCP space full space question mark. We're going to provide a full name. Let's name it home for my first network, home. Enter, and let's provide a default router is our IP address of this home of this my home network has provided 192.168.100.1. Enter. Let's provide the DNS server is gonna be 192.168.100. Let's give it .2. Enter. So let's provide a network. We have 192.168.100.2 or .0. Sorry, .0. This is the network of my home network. Give it .0 so that it will allow all the device to be involved. And then space, let's provide a subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Enter. So let's assign the excluded address IP DHCP excluded hyphen address. So let's take the address. We're going to exclude 192.168.100.0 space. Let's add the range 192.168.100.5. So from 0 to 5, this is the address we are going to exclude this network. Enter. We can save them, do right, enter, and then exit. Then close. Let's close. So this we are configured DHCP on this network. So let's go ahead and configure it on this network Amazon. Let's open up your router one more time. Enter the configuration terminal. The same process, IP DHCP full. The name here we're going to give it Amazon, right? Amazon. Enter. Default router of our Amazon is this one. So let's go ahead. 192.168.200.1. Enter. Our DNS server going to be 192.168.200.2. Enter our network. So we have 192.168.200.0 space subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Enter. So we are going to provide the excluded address range IP DHCP excluded hyphen address space, let's set up address 192.168.200.0 space 192.168.200.5. This is the range you're going to exclude it. Enter. Let's save them, do right, exit. So let's close. We can launch the time. So let's check the end device. We're going to check our end device if they have received the configuration, if they have received the IP address. So let's go ahead to my home, go to desktop, go to IP configuration, static. As you can see, DHCP request successful. So this address have received an IP address, a subnet mask, the default gateway, and then the general server. 100.6. So let's take this one. Go to desktop, click config, go to DHCP. So 100.7. Now we go to our printer, go to config, check the DHCP. 1.1.2 also receiver. Let's check our Amazon device, DHCP also receive. Check this one, DHCP 200.7. So let's check our server to see whether the server has received or not. Desktop, ipconfig, DHCP request successful. So it helps us to assign the IP address in a couple of minutes. So let's take one device, this device. So let's check the IP address of this network, 100.6. Go to the command prompt. Let's type ping 192.168.200.6 to see if they are able to communicate. Request timeout, and then you can see that they are able to communicate. So a device who is located in my home network is able to reach a device who is located in Amazon network. So let's check the IP address of this computer. 200.6.1, 207. The server 208. So let's try to see if I can rate the server. 208. Enter. First one, request timeout and reply. So this device, they are able to communicate. So we are going to verify the configuration. So let's go back to our router. Enter config T, or we can go ahead show IP DHCP pool. You can check the pool we have Amazon, the total address to 54. This is the default one. The excluded address or excluded to address 0 and 5. From 0 to 5, right, is the address excluded total the range. Okay, let's go up. Yeah, it's the same information. This is home. This is for the first network home. Excluded address 2, pending event none. So let's go enter do start show IP DHCP binding. These are all the address that the DHCP server sent out. As you can see, the address the DHCP have sent out to the host. 100.7, 100.8 is the range. 200. This is from Amazon. This is for home. Or you can go ahead and type do show IP DHCP space pool and then Amazon or home. This one if you want to be specific of a particular network. This is for home. Okay, so let's try to send a message to see if we already know they are communicating. Let's send a message from this device to the server. As you can see, successful. From the printer for this device in progress, failed. From this device to the printer, successful. From this device to this device, successful. From this device to this device, successful. Okay guys, this is how we can configure DHCP on this for router or switch. So if you found this video interesting, welcome to the family. Comment, subscribe and share it. See you next time.